Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is just a short video. I'll be showing you how to remove WhatsApp channels option. Recently WhatsApp updated their application and they added this channel option where we had a status before. Some people are happy while others are not in their daily experience with the application. So in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to remove this WhatsApp channel option and just remain with status in its place. Before we proceed, if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel, be part of this community. Make sure to subscribe, like, and if you still experience the same problem after this video, let me know in the comment sections below. To begin with, you will have to open your WhatsApp, then open the update section. You will see multiple of channels maybe you've followed before, and then you are seeing here we have status and below we have channels. So you will have to see what channels you follow. Open these channels one by one, click the three dots in the top right corner, then you will have to unfollow one at a time. So make sure to unfollow all of them one at a go. Once you've unfollowed all of them, please restart your WhatsApp and open the application again, and you will realize that WhatsApp status have taken their place as before this WhatsApp update. We have several ways of removing these WhatsApp channels, but I'll be posting in my future video update. This is just for today. See you in my next video.